Hello, future engineers. There is another video in differential calculus. Before anything else, I would like to suggest that you pause the video after the problems are stated. Then you solve the problem by your own without looking at the answers first. Then verify if our answers are the same. Then you have to firstly make the answer similar to the answers presented there so that you will also be um, evaluating your algebra skills. Then the other suggestion is you run the video, but you have to mute it so that you have to think of the procedure on the way the problems here are differentiated. And my last suggestion is um, you have to pass fast forward the video before it ends. Then you have to follow the solutions. You have to understand it without the narrations. But those who cannot do it, then you just watch the video with the narrations and explanations. So for problem 1, y is sine cube of 2 theta, then times cosine of 2 theta. So this is derivative of product. So dy d theta is first sine cube 2 theta, derivative of cosine is negative sine 2 theta times derivative of 2 theta 2. Then plus cosine 2 theta times 3 sine square of 2 theta times cosine 2 theta times 2. So simplifying, this is negative 2 sine to the fourth of 2 theta plus 6 sine square of 2 theta cosine square of 2 theta. Factoring out uh, negative 2 sine square theta, and we have 2 sine square 2 theta rather, then we have negative sine square 2 theta plus 3 cosine square of 2 theta. Then let's make this, we add sine square theta. So we have to rewrite it as 2 sine square of 2 theta times quantity 4 cosine square of 2 theta minus quantity cosine square theta plus sine square of 2 theta. So take note that this is the equivalent of the terms inside these brackets is equal to this, so that we can replace this expression by its identity, which is equal to 1. So the final answer dy d theta is 2 sine square 2 theta times quantity 4 cosine square of 2 theta minus 1. So that's it. You have to force your answer to look like this, although this may also be the answer here. You just rearrange. Then by checking using your high-tech calculator in the radian mode, so the derivative of sine cube of, I just use x instead of theta, cosine 2x at x is 0.25 is 0.95645, and you evaluate this expression at theta equals 0.25, the answer should also be the same. So next, that's the guide for that problem. The rest will just differentiate them directly. So y is ln of 1 plus e to the negative 3x quantity square. So imagine this is the u. So dy dx is 1 over u, remember, and times derivative of u with respect to x in the numerator. So this is equal to dy dx is 2 in the numerator, 1 plus e to the negative 3x times e to the negative 3x times negative 3 over 1 plus e to the negative 3x quantity square. Then we cancel 1 plus e to the negative 3x. Then we'll have here negative 6 e to the negative 3x over 1 plus e to the negative 3x. So the denominator is changed into 1 plus 1 over e to the positive 3x. So if you simplify the denominator, it is e to the positive 3x plus 1 over e to the 3x. Then the denominator of the denominator will be brought to the numerator, combined with e to the negative 3x, it will be e to the 0, which is 1. So the final answer, dy dx, is negative 6 over e to the 3x plus 1. 37. U is equal to V, quantity 1 minus 2 ln of V to the 1 half. So this is again derivative of product. So du dv is V, quantity 1 half, 1 minus 2 ln V to the negative 1 half times negative 2 over V, derivative of 1 minus 2 ln V. Then plus 1, quantity 1 minus 2 ln V to the 1 half times 1. So simplifying, this is negative 1 minus 2 ln V, negative quantity 1 minus 2 ln V to the negative 1 half plus 1 quantity 1 minus 2 ln V to the 1 half. Factor out quantity 1 minus 2 ln V to the negative 1 half. Then we'll have first term negative 1, then plus 1 minus 2 ln V to the 1. So that's algebra. So finally, the final answer is, let's make this, put this in the denominator and inside the radical square root of 1 minus 2 ln V. So this is negative 2. So negative 2 ln V over square root of 1 minus 2 ln V. So that's the final answer. Then 38, u is arctan of 1 minus x squared. Imagine that this is v. So du dv or du dx is derivative of numerator negative 2x over 1 plus quantity 1 minus x squared square. So du dx is negative of 2x over 1 plus 1 minus x squared quantity square. Simplifying, that's already the simplified form. So du dx is negative of 2x over 1 plus 1 minus x squared quantity square. Then finally, 39, y is cosecant square of quantity pi over 4 minus 4x. This is by power formula. So dy dx is 2 quantity cosecant to the 1 of pi over 4 minus 4x. Derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant pi over 4 minus 4x. Cotangent of quantity pi over 4 minus 4x times negative 4. Derivative of pi over 4 minus 4x. Simplifying, this is positive 8 cosecant square of pi over 4 minus 4x, cotangent of pi over 4 minus 4x. So that's it for this video.